Reports can be used to view and download your data from RotaCloud. To access them, click the Reports tab at the top of your page. On the left, you'll see a list of all reports available to you. Some key reports which are very handy are employee totals, which will give you a full breakdown of each employee and their shifts, leave by employee, which will give you a full breakdown of each employee's leave figures, and if you use our time and attendance package, Who's In, which will show everyone currently clocked in. This is really helpful for a fire roll call. Many reports also have filters across the top of the page. These allow you to view data for custom dates, specific locations, roles, and employees. If you'd like to download the data in your reports, just click the downwards arrow icon here, and a CSV file will automatically download for you.